In a simple, straightforward way, you'll understand what a motherboard is. The motherboard is the foundation of a computer. It's the component that connects and coordinates all the others so they can work as a single system. It doesn't process information or store data, but without it, no component can communicate or function properly. The motherboard works as the central hub of the system. All components are installed on it or connected directly through its ports and slots. From there, power and data flow constantly and in an organized way. Nothing runs outside this flow. Physically, the motherboard is a rigid board made up of multiple internal layers. These layers combine insulating and conductive materials, mainly copper, which allow electrical signals to travel precisely between different points on the board. Within these layers are electrical traces that carry data at very high speeds. Even though they aren't visible, each one follows a specific path. If one fails, the system becomes unstable. On the surface, there are pins, contacts, and connectors designed to directly link components. Their layout is precise. Nothing is random. Every contact exists for a specific functional reason. The motherboard defines the real limits of a system. It determines which components are compatible, how many can be connected, and how they interact with each other. It doesn't execute tasks, but it defines the system's actual capabilities. It also determines how stable the system will be and how far it can be upgraded in the future. Any growth or improvement starts with the motherboard. Motherboards mainly differ by their size and form factor. The most common ones are ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX. Each form factor affects the number of connections, expansion options, and internal layout. Beyond size, they also differ in technical features. Some are designed for basic tasks, while others support more advanced technologies, greater connectivity, and better power management. Choosing the right motherboard doesn't just affect how a system performs today, but how far it can evolve over time. I'll see you in the next video.